Alright, y'all, gonna have to excuse my mess, but here's my truck, and I'm getting ready to take the motor out because I am doing the AJE K-member swap, and everything here has got to come out. All the suspension's got to come out. But the truck's backed half. It's up right now because I'm getting ready to start tearing it apart. There's all the pieces kind of scattered out. There's the struts. I'll keep you updated. Alright, so I'm doing this by myself, so I gotta pull the hood off, so I got a piece of a towel and a blanket under the corners. I'm gonna set it up on top over there. Gotta pull the motor out, gotta take the hood off. Alright, I got the hood on top. Got my tools set up down there. I gotta go under and undo the training bolts. Everything on the top side is ready to come out. Gotta undo the training bolts and it'll be ready to come out. Well, I got her out. All of this suspension has to come out right down to the rails, to the frame rails. And as you can tell, this truck used to be red. I'll fix all that before I put the motor back in. Alright, so I got the original cross member out. And I don't know how much of that I got to get out of there, out of the inside of that frame. But I'll figure that out when I set the other K-member up in here. Yeah, I'm going to clean all this up. I got the strut towers partially mocked up. And I can see already there's going to be trouble clearing the AC dryer. And also on this side, going to be a little trouble clearing that master cylinder because there's a strut tower brace that goes to here, like that. And it comes, straight back across. So I emailed AJE to see what I do about these situations. Ends up being right about like that. You see, I got to drill these two holes for the back of that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Starting to make a little progress. Kind of what it looks like sitting in there. Of course, I got a bunch of crap to move out of the way, but alright, so there's a little bit of progress. Strut in. Starting on the brakes. Of course, I got a lot of painting and touch up to do. But that's pretty much ready for a wheel. I mean, none of this is really mounted, it's just kind of sitting there. But this gets a, the strange center cap. Manual rack is in. I did go to manual steering. make a shaft, which I'm not sure I got that clocked right, but I can always cut it and turn it. And that's kind of how it goes in the frame. I'll keep you updated.